Welcome to Lakshman Biology. We are discussing about the previous neat bits which are belongs to human reproduction. This is the part 7. For more updates on the biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Now we are discussing from question number 24. The question number 24 is menstrual flow occurs due to lack of. Answer for this is option D. Menstrual flow means the uterus endometrium. The uterus endometrium ruptures and come outside from the uterus through the vagina in the form of liquid. That is called menstrual flow. If you see, this is the endometrium. Okay, innermost layer of uterus is called endometrium. Here what happened? Because of lack of progesterone, this endometrium actually maintained by the progesterone hormone. This endometrium will be ruptured because of lack of progesterone and come outside through the vagina. That is called menstrual flow. The menstrual flow is mainly because of lack of progesterone. Hence, question number 24, option D is correct. Next, question number 25. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? Here they given options A, B, C, D. Then here we have to identify which one is the correct sequence which is related to spermatogenesis. Okay. Here by mistake I gave oogenesis diagram, but this no need to see. Here what happened? During spermatogenesis, what happened? First, the spermatogonia become into primary spermatocyte become into secondary spermatocyte become into spermatid, again the spermatid is become into spermatozoa or sperm. This is the sequence. Okay, if you see in the option C, they given correct. First spermatogonia, then spermatocyte. Both this primary spermatocyte and secondary spermatocyte combinedly called spermatocyte. Then spermatid. Then finally spermatozoa. Here in option C, they mention correctly spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid, spermatozoa. Hence option C is correct answer for question number 25. Next, question number 26. Which of the following best illustrates feedback in the development? Okay, here they given 4 options which are related to embryonic development. Which one is correctly explained about embryonic development? We have to identify. Here option A, B, C all are wrong only. Next, if you see the option D, this one is correct. Option D is correct. Why? Because what they given first in option D we have to see. As tissue X develops, it secretes something that induces tissue Y development. Okay, it is correct. During embryonic stage, if one tissue is developed, it will secrete few factors for the development of another tissue. If you think the first tissue is X and second tissue is Y, if first formed tissue, that is X, will secrete something or a few factors for development of Y. Okay, hence the option D is correct for related to embryonic development. Next, question number 27. The figure shows a sectional view of ovary. Here they given the sectional view of ovary and they labeled with A and B. The parts of ovary they labeled with A and B. Here what we have to do? We have to identify in the options which they are identified correctly and with the function. Okay, with its function. In option A they given that A primary oocyte. Okay, this A is not the primary oocyte, that is a primary follicle. Hence we can eliminate option A. Next, option B, B. Corpus luteum. Yes, this is corpus luteum only. And secretes progesterone. Its function is secretion of progesterone hormone. Both are correct only. Hence, option B is the answer. That is about the question number 27. Answer for question number 27 is option B. Next, question number 28. In the question number 28, they have given that which one of the following statement is false in respect to viability of mammalian sperm. They given 4 options which are related to viability of sperm. In that, 3 options are correct and 1 option is wrong. We have to identify what is the wrong option. Okay, now we will see. See, first option, sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. This only wrong. First one only wrong. Okay, sperm viability is 2 to 3 days, not the 24 hours. Okay, if you see option B, survival of the sperm depends on the pH of the medium. Yes, it's correct. And it is more active in alkaline medium. Yeah, sperm is more active in alkaline medium compared to acidic medium. Okay, if you see the option C, viability of sperm is determined by its motility. Motility means movement. Yes, the viability of sperm is determined by its motility. Next, option D, sperm must be concentrated in the thick suspension. Yes, it's correct. Sperms are must be concentrated in thick suspensions which are produced from the male reproductive glands. If you see question number 28, the option B, C, D all are correct only. The wrong option is A. Hence, A is our answer. Okay, that is about the question number 28. Next, we have to see the question number 29. In a normal pregnant woman, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed. The result expected was. Answer for this question is option D. Okay, if the amount of gonadotropin activity was assessed, the result is high level of circulating HCG. High level of circulating HCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone. If you see the HCG is one hormone which is produced from the placenta. Okay, then this placenta is formed by the mother tissue by the combination of fetal tissue and baby tissue, or fetal tissue and mother tissue. This placenta also used for the exchange of gases and exchange of food material and waste products. That is about the function of placenta. Here, if the gonadotropin activity was assessed, high level of circulating HCG stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. That is about question number 29. After that, we have to see the question number 30. Question number 30. The secretory phase in the human menstrual cycle is also called. Okay. If you see the human menstrual cycle, the human menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases. Number 1 is menstrual phase. It is also called as bleeding phase. Menstrual phase also called as bleeding phase. Number 2 is follicular phase. It is also called as proliferative phase. Number 3 is ovulatory phase. Number 4 is secretory phase. Here they asked the question, what is the another name of secretory phase? The another name of secretory phase is luteal phase. Why? Because here you can see the development of corpus luteum and the production of progesterone from that corpus luteum. Hence, the question number option C is correct. The secretory phase also called as luteal phase, and it lasts about 13 days. That is about question number 13. Next, we have to see about the question number 31. What happens during fertilization in humans after many sperms reach close to the womb? Actually, fertilization means the fusion of male gamete and female gamete is called fertilization, which occurs in ampulla isthmic junction of fallopian tube in human beings. When lot of sperms reach near to the womb, what happens? The sperm head contains acrosome, This acrosome is filled with the enzymes